Hello, I'm Dr. Parveen Malik, and today I'm trying to make you understand the types of variable. There are five types of variable: independent variable, dependent variable, moderator variable, control variable, and intervening variable. Today I will try to explain control variable. What is control variable? If the effect of variables that can affect the cause and effect relationship of dependent and independent variables is eliminated, it is called a control variable. In other words, we can say that if the effect of the moderator variable is controlled, is known as the control variable. In our previous example, the study of social problems, at last we have taken variables area as independent variable like urban, rural and semi-urban, and social problem as dependent variable. If researcher defines a problem as a study of social problems of male students of urban, rural and semi-urban secondary schools of Ahmedabad district, then the variable gender will become the controlling variable, because in this case he does not want to check the impact of gender on social problem as he mentioned only male in a title. The variables for this study will be classified as the area dependent variable with urban, rural and semi-urban levels jointly called strata, social problem as the dependent variable, and gender as the controlling variable. We have discussed the types of such variables till now, which can be clearly measured or taken care of during research. But some variables are such that they either cannot be measured or should be ignored during the study. They may affect the cause and effect relationship of the dependent and independent variables. They are known as intervening variables. Thank you so much for watching.